In this video, you're going to learn about flower placement and how to prepare your container. Hello, I'm Julie Samaka with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. I've been teaching thousands of people online the art of wreath making and flower arranging. Let's get started on this project. I got all of these supplies from Trendy Tree, including this amazing container. I love this container. It's rustic, so it really kind of goes with everything. It's a neutral container. You can use it for many things. So I can envision using this for putting napkins in when you're trying to have some type of a family event or something. You could put flowers in it. You could store coffee in it, little coffee pods, or you could put, we're going to make an arrangement out of it with hydrangeas, but you can do a lot of things with this one container. It's a really versatile piece, okay? So we've got that we're starting with. And I'm going to go ahead and put styrofoam in the bottom. So I'm going to be using my glue pan over here that's got a lot of hot glue just melted inside of it. So this is, I just love this, y'all. This turned out so pretty for my table arrangement for Easter. Okay, so we've got our hot glue. And you can use a glue gun if you don't want to use hot glue. So we've got our styrofoam that we're going to put this down in the bottom of our container. And you notice it doesn't take up the whole space. That's okay. So I'm just going to dish out some glue. Ooh. Try not to burn yourself. It sounds like the rain has shown up. We're getting a lot of rain today here in South Carolina. And then the next one we're going to put on is this one. I'm going to get my floral picks out. All right, so what we're going to do is just put some more glue right here on this piece. Try not to burn myself again. Oh, that just slung glue all over my iPad. There we go. So you can see we've got glue here. I'm going to put this square piece right on top of it. And then I'm going to skewer these down in. These are, I guess, 6-inch wooden floral picks. Now I'm going to put a little bit of my moss on top of this just to help cover some of this up. Let's just secure this really quickly with some floral pins. Alright, so now we've got our table, our container is prepped. We're going to go ahead and add our hydrangeas. No, we're going to add our greenery. So this is the greenery that I'm going to be using today. It's full and lush. You're going to make sure to cut it off the bush. And when you do, don't forget to take your time to touch every little stem of the container, and of the what is this called? The stem of the bush, and then you want to shape it. So when you take the time to just shape your pieces, it's amazing how real they look. Oh goodness, it looks like I'm running low on floral picks. Don't you love it when you start a video and you don't look to see if you've got enough floral picks? I'm just going to put that down in the center. So you don't let's see, you might not need a floral pick. Let's just see. Put this on the corner. So we've gone around, I'm making sure I got all of them. So we've gone around, how cute. This is what it looks like when you've got some greenery on the base. All right, so now what we're gonna do is add some hydrangeas. So I love these colors. These are the pink ones. I know I've seen blue. I use the cream ones. I'm trying to decide, I think I'm just gonna cut them. About 10 inches long. So anywhere between 10 and 6 inches long. I'm going to take off these extra pieces of the leaves and just save them for later. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just attach these in to the center, around our arrangement. So we've got this one. I guess I'll use this one as my center. Is this the first one I cut? I can't remember. That's good enough. Let's use this one. And I think for right now, I'm probably going to leave the green in. This can be as tall or as short as you want it. I like it a little compact to go on the center of a table because, especially if you're going to be eating at the table, that way you can see your guests across the table. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Our hydrangeas are added, and we've got our greenery added. You guys, look how quick this is falling into place. How cute! So far, we've got a good start. So now what I'm going to do is just attach these snowballs. I love the color of pink and green. Who is with me on that? Love, love, love pink and green. pretty. This is, they call this gypsum bush. Just gonna trim these off. So you always, when you purchase your flowers, you want to make sure that you can get multiple stems out of them. And this is why I love this bush. This is really fun. So do you see how much it spreads out? Look at that. You just put that right down in there. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to divide it just a little bit more. This would be pretty in a wreath. If you want that airy look. And this is so versatile. Imagine any other color of hydrangea. So, you know, blue for summertime would be pretty. Blue and yellow. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine some blue hydrangeas with some mini sunflowers? That would be so pretty. Isn't that cute right there? You see how I just put one stem in and then I just move it around to make it blend in. I love how these flowers are breaking the edge of the container. Just incorporating the container into the piece is so, so pretty. Okay, I've got one little piece. Where do I want to add it? Right there, right there, right there. I think I'm going to do it right here. Break up this green just a tad bit. So the last thing we do is we add our pom bush. So this is what it looks like right off the bush, and you're just going to snip it off and start adding them in. So that adds just a little another pop of pink into your arrangement. Just let me find the place to put this one. Look how much that just adds to the piece. Just another pop of color. Is so pretty. Let's see where I want this guy. I want it right here. How beautiful is this? So, so, so pretty. I love the pop of pink. Just makes this a vibrant centerpiece to go on the center of your table. Really, really cute. And there you have it, a beautiful table centerpiece for your table, whether it be for a shower, a wedding, or just a Mother's Day gift, right? With Mother's Day coming up. Don't be afraid to change out the colors for another season or another holiday. And I hope I inspired you. Comment below and tell me what your favorite part of the video was. And please know you're a blessing to me. I hope I'm a blessing to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified the next time we upload a video here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.